You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop sports fans! We have made it through this mini-series with you and Crazy Aaron's fans who love sports.
It's a lot of craziness out here, LPS-Dave, I have to say.
There is. Now, this was a mini-series that we started with the soccer, then we went to the cornhole, then we went to the basketball, and now we're on the football.
Football! American football.
Field goal, football, tabletop, ages 4+. Now, if you want to learn about the other three, don't ask Butch, because he's forgot everything we've done in videos. He has a bad memory with that stuff.
About what stuff?
Exactly. Go watch those videos. And if you want to help creators, such as us, there's a little area that in the bottom right corner pops up. I'm not going to say what it says, but don't do that. Just let it run through. That helps us out a lot.
Interesting.
And I do that for any creator I watch that is not part of the big, whatever.
I know when I was thinking about this, LPS-Dave, I was not skipping to get here.
No, definitely not. So when we come back, we're going to learn about football field goal. We showed you all the putties now in this particular series, except for that one.
Hey, let me say this.
Yeah.
The very first one that we did was football as well.
I guess.
Around the world.
I
football.
guess. You're right. Let's check out the American version of football.
We don't want to skip this one.
No. All right, here we go, Butch. Football field goal. Tabletop ages 4+. Crazy and thinking, buddy.
Check.
Includes easy to assemble football goal posts.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, hopefully it's just one piece. I seem to struggle with the simplest things sometimes.
Sometimes.
Go ahead, give that one a shot there.
Get your gridiron game on point. See, a field goal in football is worth 1 point. I
didn't
get
know.
it.
I didn't
Well, with the football field goal thinking putty trademarked set, shape the putty into a football and kick it through the goalpost. Now, LPS-Dave, just so we don't have any confusion, if you notice the hand position in that picture,
Yes.
that's where you want to do there. So in case they say forefinger again, you got to look.
Okay, so I see two hands. I see a strange finger coming out of this person.
That's mine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've got 6 fingers. One's coming in on an angle. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, by the way, you can get these on our videos. Go check them out. Please.
Oh, fun.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at that. That's a beautiful looking putty tin. Touchdown. This is a new size. I don't know if I mentioned it in previous videos. But
You may have.
it's a tin size that I've not seen. There's a smaller tin, a larger tin, so it's kind of neat.
It's a specialty tin, LPS-Dave. Custom size.
Yeah, custom size. Okay, there we go. Let's look. The reveal. Ooh, it's almost burgundy. You notice that? It's like a burgundy-ish. I thought by the cover it was like a complete brown. It's not.
It looks like it should be brown.
You know what they say, when it's brown, play football.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, see?
Nicely done, LPS-Dave.
That's the best part for me.
Which part?
The putty.
Pulling the putty out of the canister?
Yeah. Okay, now this looks like more my style for setting up.
It looks like it's going to be pretty obvious how to do this.
Step 1.
Seems like there should be a base of some kind for this, though.
Did I miss that?
Maybe not. Instructions!
Place the T-shaped piece on a flat surface. With the base side down. I think we're missing a piece.
It seems so.
Let's go over it all. Do you see it here?
Do you use the putty maybe as the base?
It doesn't say that. Do you see it here?
I do not.
Do you see it in here?
Clear.
Let's see. Maybe it's in this. No?
Problema! Uh-oh.
All right. So, take the putty and make that your base.
Nice.
And it'll work just fine. Then you go there you go there, and now you are set.
Well done, LPS-Dave. Nice on-the-fly adjustment
There we go. Then it says, now you're ready to... Oh,
Timber.
boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
This is what kids do at colleges when their team wins the big game. They come and they tear the goalpost down.
They destroy it.
Mm-hmm.
After you've set up your field goal, use your thinking putty to make a football. Get creative and experiment with the size and shapes. What kind of football shape will be easiest to kick? What shape will fly furthest? Set up your goalpost 6, 12, or 18 inches away. Position your ball and use your index finger,
index finger,
and thumb to kick. Flip the ball toward the goal. Just for fun, see how many field goals you can score in a minute. Challenge a friend to a kickoff. Keep moving the goalpost to set the record for longest kick. That's one thing.
Seems to be moving itself out.
Yes, that's one thing I always can say about you. You're always moving the goalposts as far as creativity, originality, and eating large amounts of food while in bed.
Dave.
All right, so here we go.
This is going to be fun because it's constantly moving. So
There is little pieces. I thought it was something I picked up on the tabletop. There's little like white pieces in there. It's like the pig skin. Ooh, I didn't mean to say pig, but you know what I'm talking about. No, they call it the laces. Aren't they made out of something? I don't know.
Laces are made out of string, I believe, LPS-Dave.
Even on a football, I thought they were leather, but okay. It could be string.
Could be.
Okay, so set that there and go. Oh, okay.
Oh, close.
I'm going to go a little bit
I have a feeling you're going to be good at this game, LPS-Dave.
I have a feeling I need to come up with a better way to present this to everybody since the base was actually missing. Shall I send them an email? See what response I get?
Let's get Crazy Aaron on the blower, LPS-Dave. Let's call him right here on live. Let's call him.
We should. Is Crazy Aaron there?
Okay, here we go. And
Oh, boy.
that was pitiful.
That was a clunker.
Okay.
I had a clunker.
Need to get a little more air underneath that.
Yeah, it's hard to do.
Especially when it's sagging like that.
Actually, that will be easier. All right, so now let's see if I can make a
Perfect.
field goal. Here we go, and boink, yes.
Nice.
Right through the goalpost. All right, let me come back. Let me come up with a better system for this, and then we will try it. I'll be back.
Nice.
Okay, problem solved.
Very clever, LPS-Dave.
This did not come in the box. This is a clamp that I've had.
We might want to send a picture of this and send it over to Crazy Aaron. They can include one of these in the box.
Yeah. I will send them an email, though, and then let everybody know how it gets resolved. Because I've never really had a customer service thing to do. And then I've determined I would like it off the tabletop.
like
just
a T.
Yeah, just slightly. Because it's hard to get my finger in there to get the right
Try not to
angle.
get your finger on the edge of that thing. That might hurt, LPS-Dave.
And then it sticks.
Hey!
First time.
Well, thanks for joining us, everybody.
Yeah,
Have a
we're
nice
done.
day.
So this is why when it's down here, it's hard for me to get under it. And,
Can't get height on that one.
And get the height. So that's why I thought after my first couple of attempts that
Just
actually
kind of skims along the ground, LPS-Dave. You got to get some.
you got to get it in there. You got to hold that and you.
Oh, just a
So
little
I had the height. Let's just bring this back a little. Let's just really challenge ourselves.
New record.
See it right there. New record. New record.
Do you know that for many years in the American National Football League, LPS-Dave, the record for field goals was held by a guy with half of a foot.
Really? Mm-hmm. What was his name?
I don't know. Half a foot guy.
Yeah. I was challenging you there, and
Google it.
yeah. You ready?
Oh, it went through. Hit the goalpost and went through.
Nice.
That's a score.
Nice, LPS-Dave.
Now, a field goal is how many points?
That would be 3 points. Extra point is 1 point, LPS-Dave.
Okay. Okay. Extra point is 1 point?
After the old touchdown.
Oh, I got you. I got 2 more I can do here.
I do spend many of my Sundays lounging, watching American football, LPS-Dave.
Right, here we go. American football and action. Yeah, it went in.
Oh, how did that get through there?
It went in. It hit in the front,
Got a little
stuck, rolled over, and went in. So I am like
Nice.
3 for 3.
It's like you're shooting dried fruit like dates, LPS-Dave.
It does not look like a football. If we look at the packaging, that doesn't look like a football.
Not at
either.
all, LPS-Dave. It looks like an emoji of some kind that we don't want to talk about.
And there it is in the front. And I would question that.
I wouldn't be flicking any of that with my finger, LPS-Dave.
And this does not look like a football either. This kind of has like a interesting shape. So I'm going to make...
It's a nugget of some kind.
It's a nugget. All right, how do you make the perfect football?
That's not bad.
Not bad. Not bad.
Now you're going to destroy it by flicking it with your finger.
It's a little elongated, but I think I've got what I want. Here we go. Here we go. And action. And
Nice,
right
LPS Dave.
Right in. Can you believe it?
Right down the middle. Split the uprights.
Let me grab all that. We'll come back and we'll wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
all right, Butch. What do you say?
It's been quite a sports adventure, LPS Dave, this little mini-series we've been doing.
You know, I thought I'd get you more involved in all of these, but,
I had fun as a spectator.
well, there you go. You were a spectator. An expectator.
Ex-spectator.
Yeah.
I had a lot of expectations.
Yeah.
And I spectated.
Yeah, you did both. I think it's interesting what's in this. What is in this? I mean, I don't think I can isolate. It's like a little tiny white thingy.
That's a fleck, LPS Dave.
It's a fleck. I didn't know. It's filled with fleck.
That's the technical term for it.
Well, you know, if you want to see all the other videos of all the other Crazy Aaron Thingy Buddy tabletop sports games, then I'm looking at description. Maybe I'll put one there. I'll link
Good
it to
idea.
it. Or you want to watch all the Crazy Aaron's videos, there are a ton of them. Now, what I would not do is skip any in the playlist, because skipping actually does not help the situation.
Correct.
Watching all of those in the playlist would be a huge help.
Oh, you're so right, LPS Dave. And I wonder if Crazy Aaron's has any thoughts on any other sports like tennis or high-lie or lacrosse.
You know, you couldn't do hockey because you'd have a hard time pushing the puck.
You'd have to actually freeze ice
Yeah.
on the tabletop.
And what's
That's
that other
right.
sport where you take it and you just kind of push it along? Is that luge?
Curling.
Curling.
Oh, I wonder if Crazy Aaron's could do luge. That would be
Luge
fun.
Crazy Aaron's. You know, they should put us on the council for coming up with
Yes, do
crazy
a whole
games.
Olympic
Yeah.
theme.
Yeah, I agree with you. And
The
thanks for
bobsled.
the bobsled. Yeah, and thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate you taking time and staying with us and not skipping this part of the video. It looks like it's getting a little. It's like getting like white striations in it.
I'm not a big skipper, LPS Dave.
No,
Never skip a meal, never skip a nap.
I got you. All right, it's really just relaxing me. It's almost putting me to sleep. Yeah, I just kind of.
For some reason it has the opposite effect on me.
It's been a long day.
Makes me hungry.
I haven't been able to take a nap in a long time.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
LPS Dave seems to have nodded off. Shh, everybody be quiet. Don't say a word.
Later!
Oh, bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.